Another delicious thing that I picked up were these vegan superfruit muffin 4-pack. Now, I've had these before.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
And these are so marvelous that you almost want to save them for breakfast with a delicious cup of coffee. Okay, so the nutritional information is, of course, is 4 muffins, so there's 4 per pack. The amount per serving is 290 calories. Calories from fat is 90. The total fat is 10 grams. Saturated fat is 1.5 grams. Trans fat 0. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 250 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 48 grams. Dietary fiber 6 grams. Sugars 23 grams. Protein 5 grams. I think 23 grams of sugar is a lot, but you know, I guess if you don't make it a habit, maybe this is not a bad thing. It has calcium, it has vitamin C, and it has iron.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.